Hey, what's up, Ankr coin holder? Ankr coin price will dumps down minus 1.45%. The price is decreased now. Can this is possible to upcoming time? This coin will pumps up. This coin pump is coming soon or not, my friends? Everything I am going to details with details explain now. But please, my friends, I have one request for all of you to kindly, if you want to this type more price prediction videos, now subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Kindly like and subscribe. Alright, my friend, in those days the price will very badly decrease now, and absolutely I'm also very shocked now to what's happening. What is this, my friends? To the price will fail us down. So I found one request, one reason, my friend, and the reason was that especially short-term investor they are starting selling, so therefore the coin is completely go in the, my friend, a garbage, because absolutely when a coin will fails down so very fastly like that, so definitely that's mean to this is not good, my friend. So kindly holder, please don't starting selling and just only hold now. I hope in upcoming days they will give you a profit. See you next time. Please like video and also subscribe on YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.